Hey grillers, Brad here from BB Grill Shack. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make elote, also known as Mexican street corn, and its off-the-cob relative, esquites. Let's get started. Corn has been a staple food in the Americas for thousands of years. One of my favorite ways to eat corn is Mexican street corn style. It's said that this style was invented in the streets of Mexico City by the street vendors called eloteros. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make it my style, and this recipe is eaten all over Mexico and the US currently. Let's start with the ingredient list for our street corn.
4 ears of corn, 1/4 cup mayo, 1/4 cup sour cream, 1/2 cup crumbled cotija cheese, chopped cilantro, lime slices, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and 1 teaspoon salt.
Street corn needs to be cooked kind of hot. I'm going to shoot for 400 degrees today, which is going to take about 10 minutes to cook my street corn. I'm going to preheat my grill now and also start soaking some wooden skewers so that I have a handle on my corn cobs.
Remove your corn from the husk and remove any excess hairs on the corn. Chop up the cilantro into small pieces so we can mix it into our crema mix. Crumbling the cotija is pretty easy, just do it by hand and it takes a little bit of time and effort. Slice the limes into individual pieces. Go ahead and stick the skewer in as far as you can into each corn. Now it's time to cook our corn. Go ahead and throw it on the grill until it's soft and has a little bit of char. This should take about 10 minutes. Mix together the crema, mayo, cilantro, chili powder, and salt while we wait for the corn to finish cooking. After the corn is cooked, remove the cobs from the grill and slather each cob with the crema mixture we previously set aside. Use a spatula or knife to spread the crema evenly. Roll each corn cob in the cotija cheese or sprinkle it over top lightly with a spoon. Finish your elote off with a little bit more chili powder and a squeeze of fresh lime.
Now that my elote is done, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a taste test. Bottoms up. Wow guys, it's kind of sweet, pretty savory, a little spicy, very limey. Either way, it's amazing. You guys need to get on outside and make some of this. While I got you guys here in this elote video, let's go ahead and talk about esquites a little bit. It's also called corn in a cup, and it's typically boiled and then sauteed corn and then served with the similar ingredients as the elote. Today I'm going to make you guys my version, which is not boiled, not sauteed, but grilled, cut off the cob, and then served with the same ingredients.
I like to start by cutting the corn off the cob. This is easily done by holding the cob straight up and just slicing down. Next, we're going to put this in a bowl and mix in some of our crema mix. Now top the esquites with a little bit of cotija cheese, some chili powder, and some fresh lime. If you prefer your corn off the cob, this is a great alternative.
Thanks for sticking around, you guys. I had a lot of fun making this video today and a lot of fun eating some elote. I hope I've inspired you to try something new with your grill and even get outside and grill, even though it's the winter and we might not have the best weather all the time. Just plan ahead, catch yourself a day like today, and I'll catch you guys next Thursday in the next video.